Caldo with Chef An Balingit and with Chef
Neth, Balingit.
we're doing Zumba na. Pero we're going to cook. Are you ready, guys? Stop ko
Yes.
muna to. Stop ko muna to. Baka hindi tayo mag-stop sumayaw. Okay. And this is brought to you by Bennett Saladmaster. So thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone, for liking and subscribing to our new YouTube channel,
Yes.
which is Amazing LutuAN. So, if you happen to enjoy our other videos, we are now creating next level. next level daw for our quarantine survival recipes. Okay? Again, we created this cooking video to inspire others, no? And just to send in positive, good vibes or positive videos amidst the negativities. So if you happen to enjoy our videos, please do like our videos and share it. Share it to others. Again, share the video, not the virus. So, this is another immune system booster recipe, Mami.
Yes.
So, pero we want to show you a simple, affordable, easy, and nutritious recipe. So, what is our recipe for today?
Yes, our recipe for today is a Greaseless chicken Arroz Caldo using our Saladmaster 5-quart wok.
Ito yun.
Healthy.
It has
wow,
no more oil.
no more oil and less cholesterol.
Wow! Pag Saladmaster, healthy kasi no more oil. So, it's less cholesterol.
Yes.
Okay? So, narinig nyo, no? Hindi siya the typical chicken Arroz Caldo. Meron siya nakalagay, greaseless. So, are you ready, Mami?
Yes.
Ano yung
Kanina
mga
pa.
ingredients natin?
So for today, for our special Arroz Caldo, our ingredients for today are first is the luya, and then the bawang, and then the sibuyas, chicken, and patis. May konting salt na to actually, konti pa lang kasi lalagyan pa natin ng patis and then the paminta, the onion leeks, and the glutinous rice. And then later on the atay ng manok.
Okay. So, we are going to begin now.
And
So,
water.
A first step is to preheat our pan. Again, there's no oil. Inside the wok, walang oil. Okay? We do it this way. Okay? Pinainit na po natin to. Okay. So,
Walang
let's
oil
begin.
actually. No oil as I've said a while ago. And then umpisahan na po natin. Nahin po muna natin yung luya. Napreheat na po ito.
Our pan is preheated medium fire for 5 minutes. Okay. The difference now is it has no oil. It's good. So, right now we're putting some ginger first. And ano ba ang benefits of eating ginger? Sandali lang. Tatabi ko lang ito. Pwede ba dito? Okay, yung ginger po natin, it lowers our blood cholesterol. And it fights infections. Has a powerful medicinal properties. It's an anti-inflammatory.
Next is the garlic.
Okay, garlic has few calories. It's my favorite. Garlic ako, garlic person. So
Mas maraming garlic, mas masarap.
yes. So it is rich in vitamin C, improves cholesterol levels. It lowers the risk of our heart disease.
Next is the onions.
Okay, what is the onions? Health benefits?
It has antioxidant, contains blood sugar, boost bone density, and with vitamin B and C and potassium.
Wow! Haluin mo yun. Lahat yun, ma-enjoy natin. Kung ito lahat ay kakainin natin at wala pang oil, hindi ba napaka-healthy? Talaga namang may strengthen ang ating immune system. And by the way, Filipinos are fond of cooking rice. Imagine mo, sa umaga, napakagaling, sinangag, fried rice. sa merienda or AM or PM snack. Rice na naman, pwedeng arroz caldo, no? By the way, pwede rin palang champurado. No? Maano yung Pinoy, no? And then may kakanin, and then may rice meal.
Ang bango.
Can you smell it? That's the natural aroma of the vegetables. So again, there's no oil. It's really healthy. So if you are the person who's looking for the right cooking ware, we really recommend Saladmaster. Lalo na yung mga mataas ang cholesterol, nakakatulong sa akin.
The next one is the chicken. May konting salt na po ito.
So we're putting the chicken.
And then,
Bakit maganda ang may Saladmaster?
and then the patis.
Mali. Bakit maganda yung Saladmaster? Kahit walang oil, ano ginagawa niya? Tulad nito, may fats ba ang chicken?
Kasi kaya hindi na natin siya nilalagyan ng oil, binibisa sa oil kasi through this chicken,
Release ng natural oil.
magre-release ng natural oil kasi itaba na yung chicken. And
See,
then
no? It's good. And then, kung nilagay ni Mami is patis, chicken, and black pepper.
Black pepper.
Okay. We also have chicken liver, by the way. So, ano yung mga...
So, hayaan muna natin mag-release yung fats ng chicken bago natin ilagay yung glutinous rice. Okay. Kasi,
So, we're going to cover this. Are we going to cover
Yeah.
this? Okay. Sarap-sarap po nito. Pag nagluto siya ngayon, this is very comforting dish. Lalo na yung mga nilalagdag dyan, no? Yung mga may liver. Pwede rin to, no, Mama?
Yes.
Gusto ko to.
Exactly.
Okay. So, we'll cover it. And we're going to just lightly brown the chicken. So, ano po yung benefits ng chicken? And yung chicken liver din pinagsama na natin. It has
Later on.
it has protein and it's rich in vitamins and minerals. And ito ay kinakain natin for muscle building and strengthening our bones. Plus, it has iron, copper, and zinc. O, di ba? Parang, ito na, let thy food be your medicine. Your medicine. And then, what about the patis? Do you know na meron din itong nutritional properties? Fish sauce is a good source of iodine or iodine, I don't know. It nourishes our thyroid. And then, it has vitamin A and D. By the way, before you cook, you wash your hands. Okay, kung napaka-chain, wash your hands ulit. Ganun eh. Okay. And then, it's good for your health. Okay? So, habang pinawait po natin ito, babalikan po natin siya. Okay? Thank you.
Please do know. So, after 5 minutes, i-open na po natin. Natingnan natin kung nag-oily na yung chicken.
Uy, tingnan nyo.
Wow, nag-oily na po siya. Nag-brown na po. So, pwede na po natin ilagay itong glutinous rice. Mas masarap po siya pag isinama sa chicken. Habang lumalambot ang chicken, lalambot din po ito at magigisa din siya sa patis. Ano na po ito? Pre-wash na malagkit. Rice malagkit. 1/4 of
1/4 kilo.
1/4 kilo po yung rice malagkit dun sa
And the chicken natin is
and the chicken is 1/2 kilo.
1/2 kilo chicken wings.
And then haluin lang po natin para masama siya sa ginisa para hindi siya malansa.
Medium fire lang medium fire.
Opo. Yan, halu-haluin lang po natin. And then itong atay ng chicken, later na po natin siya ilalagay para hindi siya malansa pagkatapos pagpakuluan ng tubig. So, lalagay na po natin yung tubig.
Okay. I guess this is 2 liters.
Yes, 2 liters of water.
Puno na siya. Kulang ko lang sa puno. How about this one?
Later na yan.
Okay, later po daw yung onion leeks and yung liver. By the way, bakit
Yung-
naman may onion leeks? Ano bang benefit ng onion leeks? It has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, manganese, and it's It's important for our red blood cells. And you know what? Kasi lagi tayong nakapatente sa bahay. Minsan yung brain natin, di natin kung nagana pa ba yan. Alam mo, magandang onion leeks kasi it helps us dun sa ating brain and nerve function.
Yes.
Wow!
Yes.
Para talaga natural medicine. Natural medicine
So,
talaga.
takpan ulit natin siya. Let's simmer for about 30 minutes. Pero with continuous stirring po kasi baka dumikit yung malagkit dun sa baba.
That easy, very, very easy. No? When you have Saladmaster, it will make your cooking very easy naman. So, babalikan po natin to after 30 minutes. No? So, isang pagkain na masarap, pagkain na nakaka-strengthen ang ating immune system. So, again, we will still keep on praying that things will get better. GCQ na tayo, pero again, stay safe, stay home. Unless it's very, very necessary and important for you to go out, or you're working, you're required to work, yun po, lalabas tayo. Pero kung wala naman, dito na lang muna tayo sa bahay natin. And, enjoy natin yung luto-luto ng ganito. So again, na nag-e-enjoy kayo pong lahat ay nag-e-enjoy sa aming cooking video, sa simpleng cooking video. And mag-comment din po kayo, comment below. We love seeing your comments, no? We love seeing yung nagko-comment kayo. Nakaka-encourage din. Okay?
Tingnan yung niluluto natin. Kung okay na po, kung after 15 minutes, kumukulo pa rin po siya, as you can see it. Ilalagay na po natin ngayon yung atay ng chicken. And then the onion leeks. Ito po. Onion leeks. So, after 15 minutes, to be exact 30 minutes, di pa po sabi ko kanina, 30 minutes. So, after 15 minutes, balikan po ulit natin para hindi po madurog yung mga atay, para hindi siya maglasang mapait sa ating special arroz caldo. So, takpan po ulit natin.
Greaseless chicken arroz caldo. Wow! Yummy. Look at that. It's hot pot boiling there. Ang ganda po ng wok. Alam niyo po bakit? Kasi ang dami niyo maluluto dito. Pansit, sopas, adobo, yung arawang ulam, arawang merienda. Yan. Diyan din kami nagluluto ng pang merienda, ginataang mais. Pero for now, it's greaseless chicken arroz caldo. Can you see that? If only you could smell the aroma. It's really, really good. Alright, everyone. So, we're back after 30 minutes,
After 30
Mommy.
minutes, it's tikiman time!
Woo!
Wow!
Wow!
Tignan.
Look at the oil, no? Na secret ng
Oo
chicken.
nga,
Look at
no?
the oil.
Look at the oil,
Pag
yung
may
secret
oil pa
ng
yan, naku, ang
chicken.
dami, no? So, ito
Galing po
greaseless.
yan sa chicken. Ito po ay greaseless arroz caldo.
Mas healthy na.
Mas healthy na po siya.
Titiman time na ba? Titiman time.
Tikim na po tayo.
Ito yung portion na gusto ko. Okay.
Wow! Sarap ng sabaw. Ang masarap po dito sa arroz caldo, yung medyo basa po siya, yung medyo ganito.
Ako gusto kong masarap.
Kasi po, mas masarap yung may nahihigop tayong mainit na sabaw. Pero nasa sa inyo pa rin po yun. Baka gusto nyo rin po ng tuyo. Pero sa amin po, ganito po kami
Super
magluto
sarap.
ng special arroz caldo. Greaseless.
Ang lalagay lang ko natin is we have squeezed calamansi and my favorite garlic chips. Ako, kalamansi din akong tao. And, fried garlic chips.
Since nandito naman po yung onion leeks, so hindi na po natin siya lalagyan.
Pero pwede pa din kung gusto nila ng
Yung optional na po.
Mahilig ako sa garlic person.
Yung onion leeks.
Okay. So,
Wow!
wow! Tignan niyo muna po. Tignan niyo muna. Yung amoy. Yummy! Dahil nanay ko nagluto, ano naman ang participating ano ko is participation fee, no? Participating activity is to eat. Mami! Okay. Ang sarap. Tingnan nyo ho. Grabe, no? Nakikita niyo yung chicken? Ang sarap. Kain na po tayo ngayon. Tikman lang yun natin. I wanna taste. Ang chicken po ba ay perfectly
Wow, ang lambot.
perfectly cooked. Wala po siyang nagdudugo dyan.
Dugo dyan.
For the first taste, mainit. Sarap.
Neth. At
Sarap!
sarap.
Lalo na ngayon, kasi tag-ulan na yan. Talagang malalasap mo ang sarap. So, Mami, masarap.
Siyempre, lalo na itong ano,
Thank you, Mami, for cooking.
yung atay ng chicken. Mas masarap to. Wow.
This is one way of expressing our love for our family, is cooking healthy for our family. So, again, thank you very much. We hope that you have enjoyed our cooking show.
Yes.
And again, if you happen to like this video, like and share na. Share the video and knock
Not
the
the virus.
Thank you
Thank
everybody.
you so much.
Bless.
God bless. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Amazing LutuAN. Bye.